Good evening, everyone, and my teacher. We are junior students for a low skill class at La American College. My name is Mr. Siwang, and my friend is Mr. Duhe and Sir Kaiwa. Today, we very happy for you to take your time to join our presentation today. Thank you for your time, and thank you for teacher give us permission to present for today. I'm going to start with the outline. First, introduction. Second, location and geography feature. Third, educational and system. Fourth, cultural and tradition. 5, interesting tourism and sightseeing. 6, conclusion. And the last one is recommendation. Now I'm going to talk about introduction. The most of our countries is mountains, deep green forest, and the Mekong River forms a larger part the western boundary with Thailand. Let's talk about location and geography feature. We have two main points, locational and geography feature. Now I'm going to talk about locational. Laos is located in Southeast Asia. Laos has land borders with 5 countries. You can see in the map. China, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. Let's move on geographical feature. Laos cover total area is 236,800 square kilometers. In 2019, Laos has population 7,046,340 people. There are 2 seasons, such as rainy seasons and dry seasons. Let me explain about rainy seasons and dry seasons. Rainy season starts with May to October, and dry season starts with November to April. Let's talk about education system. Education system, we have 4 levels. First, primary school, 2, secondary school, 3rd, high school, and the last one is vocational technical school. Let me explain some of level for education system. Primary school, they have to study 5 years. After that, continue to study secondary school for 4 years. Then we continue to study high school 3 years. After you finish for high school, you can go to study vocational technical school. I explain for vocational technical school. Vocational technical school, you have to study 5 years or 4 years like level you study for the school. Example, bachelor degrees and master degrees. That's all for me. Next, Mr. Duhe going to tell you culture and traditional.